Hello and welcome to Barbarian Law. My name is Karim and I'm the founder of Barbarian Law. It's been trademarked. Today we want to discuss the nuclear family. What is a nuclear family? Google Gemini tells me it's a couple that are married, that are living together with their child inside of a dwelling without help from their family. So these days it's becoming much more difficult for young people in Canada to own their own home due to the very high prices of homes. So I want to make it easier for couples to own their own home, and also I want to offer a special to nuclear families who are thinking of writing their wills and powers of attorney. There's going to be a nuclear family special that you will only be quoted by referencing this YouTube video. So the special is you get 2 wills and 4 powers of attorney, which is a will for the man where he leaves everything to the wife, a will for the woman where she leaves everything to the man. If anything happens to both of them, they leave everything to the kids. So that would be the will, and then the powers of attorney would say, okay, if I'm incapacitated, I want someone to take care of my children until they turn 18. You can put in that's going to be in the will, not the power of attorney, but basically you can put your wishes for if you're incapacitated, what you want to do with your property or your own personal care. So $1,000 will get you 2 wills, which normally cost $500 each. So automatically you're getting 4 free powers of attorney. And if those powers of attorney are useful one time, then you've got your money's worth. So if you ever leave the country and your significant other needs to access your bank accounts, they can do so. If you go into a skiing accident and you get injured and you get paralyzed, then your other person can organize care for you. If both of you get into an accident, we can do a common disaster clause where you can mention people to take care of your kids or your assets, what are your pets. If someone has a pet that they treat like a kid, who am I to say you should have kids? I'm not trying to do that, but yes, nuclear family means you're not leaving stuff to a former spouse. You don't have children from a previous marriage where you're trying to leave things to. So nuclear family special, if you quote it, you will get it. $1,000, 2 powers of attorney, 4 powers of attorney, 2 each, and a will for each of you. I just want to make sure the kids are looked after, and I want to make sure that people can afford to buy a home one day. So if I create a relationship with someone, I make a will for them, and then eventually want to buy a house, I can help them with that too. So I'm trying to give you an idea of what Barbarian Law is about and how we contribute to our society and what our purpose is. Our purpose is to improve the lives of parents, children, of homeowners, non-homeowners. So get the idea, that's Barbarian Law, okay? So stay tuned and we'll give you more specials if you watch our YouTube channel.